Okay, everyone, let's make this Copycat Olive Garden recipe. Crispy chicken fritter. We are going to start out by making our pasta noodles. I'm using spaghetti noodles. You can use fettuccine noodles as well. I am going to season it with some chicken bouillon, and I am also adding some olive oil. The seasoning of the chicken is up to you, but I'm using some black pepper and some seasoning salt for my chicken. You can add garlic powder, onion powder, whatever seasoning you like to your chicken tenders. Next, I am going to beat 3 large eggs because we need this to hold our breadcrumbs. So now I am breading my chicken. I am going to bread it with some flour. You can use all-purpose or self-rising flour, but it's lightly breaded. And you shake the excess bread off before you place it into your 3 large eggs, your beaten egg. And after you dip it into your beaten egg, make sure that you shake off any excess beaten egg on your chicken tender before you place it into your bread crumbs. I'm using Italian bread crumbs. You can use Panko bread crumbs if that is what you have to make this delicious recipe. I'm making it because I had it at Olive Garden and I told the kids that, hey, let's just make this at home. And trust me, everyone, it tastes just divine. And I really enjoyed making this for my family. And you can have this also on your menu for Christmas if you would like, instead of just cooking the same old recipes that you made at Thanksgiving. It's okay to switch up your Christmas recipes. And I am going to continue to bread all of my chicken tenders. And I just made sure that I had 2 chicken tenders for each family member because you can get full of just 2 chicken tenders. And I bought my pack of chicken tenders at Walmart, and guess what? We still have about 8 chicken tenders left in that pack. It's just me, my daughter Aaliyah, my daughter Tamaya, and my son Apprentice ate some. And I also had some for my other friend. Now let's go ahead and let's fry our chicken tenders. So you will only need to cook your chicken tenders for at least 4 to 5 minutes per side. You want to cook them at least 8 minutes to make sure that your chicken tenders are done. You do not want burnt chicken tenders, dried out chicken tenders. So please cook them for at least 4 minutes per side, because once you take them out the grease, you place them on the wire rack that you see like I have here so that they can continue to stay crispy and not become soggy once if you lay them on paper towel. And they should be golden brown just like this. Beautiful golden brown chicken tenders. Now go ahead and cook your bacon. I cut up about 8 pieces of bacon, and I think that that was enough for us. And you cut up as much bacon as you like. And I'm telling you, you will enjoy this Copycat Olive Garden crispy chicken fritter recipe. So now we are going to make Alfredo sauce. If you know how to make Alfredo sauce, then you already got the recipe down pat. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of butter. I am going to saute me up about a cup of onions. I have them diced. Cut them as big or as little as you like. But trust me, you need this onion flavor. I'm adding in some heavy whipping cream. We are going to use about 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. It just depends on how much Alfredo sauce that you would like to make. That's how much of cream you add in. And I will list ingredients in the description box along with measurements so that you too can make this delicious Copycat recipe from Olive Garden. And we will be using some Parmesan cheese, and we will be using some white cheddar cheese. in the sauce that I am making. The seasonings that I am using is some Slap Your Mama seasoning. I am also adding in some black pepper, some garlic powder. That's right, some garlic powder and some onion powder. I'm going to use just a little Sazon. Not Sazon, I'm sorry, y'all. Some Badia. Y'all know Complete by Badia, not Sazon, I'm sorry. And season according to your likeness. But y'all know my motto is start out with about 1 to 2 teaspoons of each seasoning. And then after that, taste it and see if you would like to add any more seasoning. Because you cannot go wrong when you only use 1 to 2 teaspoons to start out with, okay? So after you get all of your seasoning into your pot with your heavy whipping cream, remember to add in 1 cup of chicken broth. You're going to see me add that 1 cup of chicken broth in this video. But I wanted to make sure that you knew exactly the ingredients that I am adding in to make this delicious sauce for our Olive Garden Copycat recipe. Okay? So I want you guys to continue to watch this video all the way to the end. Leave me lots of comments down below and tell me, have you ever made this? Would you try this recipe? Did you eat it at Olive Garden? And did you like it? And trust and believe you me, you can have this on your table for Christmas dinner. You do not have to host your Christmas dinner with the same thing that you ate at Thanksgiving. Me and my children have already decided that we're going to switch it up this year. And yes, those are parsley flakes. You know you got to add in some parsley flakes to make the sauce pop. Okay, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Cooking with TK to make this delicious Olive Garden Copycat recipe, crispy chicken fritter. It is so delicious. I really enjoyed making this at home, and it's much cheaper to make it at home. So please don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below, and come back to my channel, Cooking with TK. Peace. Have a blessed day.